So hi everybody, everyone who's anyway. So we have got Bluey, Bingo, a cat and a mouse eggs for us to open today. Okay, so we're going to put these up here, and Ava is going to start with her friend. Let's see what the mouse has bought for us. Ava, will you open her?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we open the mouse. And open the egg. Look, it's Flower Child. You need to piece her together. Put her back together. Do you want help? Oh, you got her together. So we've got a Flower Child behind here. Now let's open your cat.
Let's open him.
Let's see what the cat has brought for us. Okay, the cat is a boy. Let's put the Play-Doh over here. Ooh, look, it's Tenz's bro. I forgot his name. Okay, let's put him back here.
Wait, let's put his glasses on.
Oh yeah, we need to put his glasses on, don't we? Do you want to show the camera? Show him to a camera. Look. Okay, so now I'm going to open Bingo and Bluey. Okay, so let's get Bingo's ears off and her hands off, her feet and her tail, and let's get her eyes off
Now she has
and her nose. And now let's get rid of her body off here. Okay, so we got her body, we got all the Bingo pieces. Okay, so now
you have an egg inside.
Yeah, let's open Bingo's one.
There you go.
Okay, so let's open it.
Whoa.
Oh, I forgot her name. I think we've got a Tough Cutie. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and then we can get her back together. Okay, so here's Tough Cutie. I'm putting her here. Now, let's open Bluey. Bluey's our favourite character, isn't she?
Yeah.
So let's take Bluey's ears off, her hands, her legs and her tail off.
Haha, that's right. Anyway, it's scary a little bit. Because Bluey doesn't want to die.
She's not going to. Let it go. Anyway, so then we can peel Bluey off. She is much easier to peel off than Bingo is, because Bingo is a bit soft. Say hi, Bluey, with no ears, arms, legs, or tails.
Hi.
Guys, I'm just going to sit here. Okay, so I'm going to open Bluey's egg, which is also less softer.
There you go.
Then, okay, let's open this egg.
Oh, it's my yellow dog.
What's her name again?
Her name
I forgot. You can, it's, okay, so I forgot. Let's. Oh, Cloty, okay. Floaty. Right, now let's, I will piece it together and see you. Here is Floaty. I've got all of them. Now, you got to say bye to all of our eggs. We will do some more Play-Doh eggs in the future. So let's get all of the ones. Now, which is your favourite? Bye!
Mine is that one. Mine's favorite is that one.
And this one.
And that one.
Okay. So let's say bye.
Bye.